Good morning to all students of class first year RS Inter College Kanpur. Today I am going to teach you. The topic is poetry. Poetry chapter number 4th. The name of the poetry is To India, My Native Land, composed by Henry L. Desrosiers. So as I have told you many times, how you would write down the explanations, you have to write down explanation of this. So about this, I am telling you, at first you will write down hint, then few words will be written, well the dot dot from the. In this way, the hint is written. After that, you will write down a reference. In reference, you will write down the name of the poetry, the name of the poet. These lines you will write like this. These lines have been selected from the poem To India, My Native Land, composed by Henry L. Desrosiers. After that, context, you have to write down context. In context, what in the topic, what things have been described or introduced. So we shall write down here. The poet has described the India's poor condition in the slavery period. Now explanation we shall write down. So when we write down explanation, we start from the upper lines to the, then we come to the canto or passage that has been given for the explanation. So in this way, we shall explain you that the poet is describing about the India. That India in ancient time was called the Golden Bird. It was the strongest country and the world teacher. Its respect was very much, and it was respected and worshipped like the god and goddesses. She was garlanded, she was worshipped, but when the foreigners invaded India and our motherland became arrested, means became slave, the development of the country was checked, was stopped. The foreign rulers came and they started to earn profit, and that profit was sent to their countries, foreign countries. So India and Indians became from poor to poorer. The condition became bad to worse. And that's why the people were suffering from many calamities, many difficulties, many shortages, illiteracy, poverty, etc. And that's why India in the slavery period was not getting her respect, her honor. So the poet very sorrowfully describes, because poet is the great lover of his country. He loves his country very much, and he wants that his country should be again so powerful, so dignified, so majestic as it was in the ancient time. In ancient time there was prosperity, there was richness, there was strength in India, and the education center, the greatest education center was India in ancient time. So he says that old grace, that old majesty, that old splendor should India get at any cost. In slavery system, the people worked hard, but their wages were not given properly. They were exploited. So he says that India should be in such kind of condition, in such kind of system, means after independence, so that the laborers who work hard should be given their wages, so that they may develop themselves, they may develop the members of their family, they may also contribute in the development of the country, their motherland. So that is so it is enough now, and you have to write down the explanation, I am sending that explanation through your WhatsApp. Then start your copy, take your pen and start to write just now. You have to write down everything that is taught daily online, because the copies, fair copies and homework copies will be checked, and the careless students will be duly punished. You should remember it. So you have to do every work every day, whether it may be fair work or whether it may be homework. You have to do everything, perform it every day. Thank you very much.